So dear students, let's understand the format of diary entry by solving this question. First of all, read the question and try to understand. Make a diary entry how you saw and experienced God's own country. Dear students, try to understand this word because diary writing is a creative writing and you have to add in it your creative ideas. So first of all, try to understand the question. After that, you will be able to create, to manage your ideas. Clear? God's own country doesn't mean heaven. It relates the word that you feel as a heaven. You have to describe that place. Clear? So let's start. First of all, you will write date. Today's date is July 4, 2020. After that, you will write day. Day is Saturday. And then time. Now time is 10:15 a.m. After that, you will leave a line and then write dear diary. Clear? After that, you will start your content. Clear? And you will start your diary by writing once, yesterday, today. You can choose anyone among them. Clear? Once, yesterday, today. Clear? And after that, you will write your subject will be what? I. And you are going to experience, you are going to share your experience. Clear? What? I had never the, because experience may be bitter, or I had never the bitterest or sweetest experience in my life. After that, you will write I had never such a beautiful, it may be beautiful or worse experience before it. Clear? After that, you will start about your topic, about your content. Clear? For example, you are going to describe about Amritsar. Clear? You will give answer to complete your content by completing the 4 words. Which one? First of all, you will give the answer to this question. Where did you go? For example, I went Amritsar last year. Clear? After that, who invited you? Clear? And when did you go there? And how did you feel there? How did you feel there? To all these questions, you will give answer by completing your content. Clear? After it, you will write your content about the place. Give a brief description. Clear? After that, you will end your content by saying that you will write a line. I will never forget this event. It may be an event, trip. Clear? It may be a tour. It may be a memorable stay. Clear? In my whole life. Clear? You will end your content by saying this line. And at the last, you will write your name. Clear? For example, Neha. And after that, you will put your signature. Understand? In this way, you will write a diary. Clear? These two lines in the starting, you can see these two lines you can write in any diary entry, and you can sum up your diary entry by using this line. Understand? I hope. So dear students, I hope you all have understood the format of diary entry. Now I am giving you some question to solve. So solve all these questions by using this format. Thank you. Have a good day.